The black wire should be connected to the positive pole. Note that the door and window wires cannot be directly connected to 220V AC power. Otherwise it will cause damage to the motor. Adjust the horizontal value of the window frame. And ensure that the horizontal value is fixed to the window frame. Now connect the wiring for the electric folding window. The wire for the 𝐕𝐢𝐽 motor is slightly thinner than that for the flat opening motor. For the 𝐕𝐢𝐽 motor and the flat opening motor, the black wire is connected to the positive pole and the white wire is connected to the negative pole. Gently pull the wire to ensure a firm connection. Test the effectiveness of the motor after it is connected. In the same way, connect the wire of the sliding motor. Now connect the 220V AC power supply to the control and connect the fire and zero wires. The wires are all connected properly. Now install the controller on the wall. Remove the controller panel cover and align the screw holes of the controller with the bottom box holes. Fasten the screws. Put the panel cover back, making sure the side with the logo is facing up. Gently press the panel cover onto the controller. Finally, check the electric folding window to see if it moves smoothly.